Welcome to a short series of videos to get you up and running with RayPRO, a desktop and mobile platform that allows you to effortlessly collect insightful patient-reported outcomes for 3 years after cataract surgery. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a nurse account so that you can delegate the registering of new patients to your team. First thing to do is to visit raypro.rayner.com. From here, click on Register an Account. You now need to enter the details for your nurse account, including email address, create a password and confirm the password. Enter the name of the nurse account. Under select a role, pick nurse, and then language spoken needs to be English. Then select the end user privacy policy, which are Rayner's legal obligations to you, and then also end user license agreement and data sharing agreement, which are your obligations to Rayner and RayPRO. Tick the reCAPTCHA security tool. And then sign up. So you've now successfully created a nurse account. Now you need to log back into RayPRO as your surgeon account. Click Settings in the top corner and then Associate Nurse. Type in the email address of the nurse account you've just created. Click Search. If the details are correct, click Add Nurse. This nurse is now associated with your surgeon account. When they log in, they will just be able to add patients for your surgeon account and will not be able to see your personal dashboard.